Hey there, it's Shauna with Bath Tubber. So my day started out pretty crappy. It wasn't a good morning. And then something awesome happened. This came in the mail. It is a subscription box from Bath Bevy. And it says relaxation, which is totally what I need. The subscription box is something you can get once every quarter or once every month. And I am totally excited to open it up and see what's inside. This is my first one. All right. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's got this awesome card inside. Every Bath Bevy box has a theme, and I guess this one is autumn. It says autumn vibes, and it has a quote. She loved the fall. And you can see it's wrapped nicely in blue tissue paper. And I'm gonna open that up. I'm pretty excited. I totally need this today. How did they know? How did they know that this was the day to send it? Oh, super pretty. Check it out. Oh. Okay, I'm happy already. And the other thing I love about this box, besides the fact that it's gorgeous, is it's heavy. It makes me feel like there's gonna be really good stuff in here. Okay, so I put on my glasses so I can see what's going on here. So first up, a fall fig bath bomb. And the card I got on the back side, it has the ingredients for everything in the box. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, nice and heavy. And it says it's scented in a combination of figs, peaches, passion fruit, coconut milk, vanilla, orchid, jasmine, and freesia with a note of vanilla bean, caramel, maple sugar, fig leaves, and musk. And everything's wrapped so super cute. I love it. That's the way it's wrapped. Makes me think it would be an amazing gift to give. Maybe for the holidays. And here's my bath bomb. I'll be trying it just as soon as we're done here. So pretty. All right, next in my Bath Bevy box, I've got this. What is this? Oh, cozy sweater is the scent of this candle. What does that smell? Let's see if I can figure it out. Cozy sweater is made up of orange peel, cinnamon, lemon. Oh yeah, totally smells like fall. Oh, so cute. A little Hello Fall matchbox to light my cozy sweater candle. And what else do we have in here? Ooh, yes. Silky birch whipped soap scrub. This light and fluffy whipped soap sugar scrub is a luxurious exfoliating cleanser that will leave your skin feeling clean, soft, and moisturized. It combines notes of coconut, milk, and white birch with whipped musk and velvet jasmine. Yes. Okay, let's see. It says to use, massage into skin in bath or shower and rinse thoroughly. I will. Okay, this is like gone from the worst day. I think it might turn into the best day ever. Thank you, Bath Bevy. Thank you for sending me this. Okay. I know when I'm opening this that I can think of a lot of people who I could gift this to. Now, each Bath Bevy box, every month you get it, it has a different theme. This is an autumn bubbly bar. So I think that's going to turn my bath into a bath full of bubbles. And what's this? Ooh, yes, bath bomb. Another bath bomb in the shape of a leaf. How cute is that? Nice. All right, and finally, last thing in my Bath Bevy box today is a caramel apple bath bomb. Yes, caramel apples. I miss caramel apples. I love caramel apples. And it's just the very beginning of September, So this is making me really want Halloween and want to make caramel apples. And it's really pretty. So I got a whole bunch of bath bombs today. I got a bubbly bar, I got cozy sweater, and I got my whipped soap scrub, and my super cute matches that say hello ball. So I'm gonna go test these things out and I'll report back. If you're interested in getting a subscription box for Bath Bevy, either for yourself or as a gift for someone you love, because this is just love in a box, then click the link below. Thanks for joining me today.